Okay, so Jacob, let's do the animal sounds with high and low sounds, okay? So can you say your name in normal sound?
Jacob.
Okay. Can you say your name in high sound?
Jacob.
How about low sound?
Jacob.
Okay, so we'll start with animals. How about a cat? What's the sound of a cat?
Meow. Meow.
Okay. Can you do it in a normal voice?
Meow. Meow.
How about a high voice?
Meow. Meow. Meow.
How about a low voice?
Meow. Meow.
Very
Meow.
good. How about dogs?
Woof. Woof. Woof.
Okay. Do it in high voice.
Woof. Woof.
How about a low voice?
Woof. Woof. Woof.
Very good. How about a pig?
Oink. Oink.
And a low voice?
Oink. Oink. Oink.
How about a high voice?
Oink. Oink. Oink.
Okay. How about a lion?
Roar.
Okay, can you do it in a low sound?
Roar.
Roar. How about the high sound?
Roar.
Roar. Okay, that's it. High five. Ako daw. Bye-bye.
Bye.